In this video, we'll go over some order management. So what is it like using GoPrep day to day? So we'll start off with creating manual orders. So if a customer calls in on the phone or maybe they're in person, you might want to enter an order for them. So all you need to do is come to your orders page and click create manual order. You'll then view the menu as if you were a customer, and you can go ahead and make any choices that you want and add it into your cart. And as the admin, you actually have some privileges that they don't have. So, for example, you could add a meal to a package that isn't usually part of the package. You could mark an item as free or change the pricing on it, so on and so forth. So, for now, we'll go ahead and we'll continue to checkout. We'll say that this is a pickup for Sunday. We could assign a pickup time for our own records. And we can go ahead and search for the customer if they're already in the system. And if they had a credit card on file, it would come right up. In this case, this is a cash order, so I'm just going to mark it as cash order and assume that they're paying me through cash or through some other means. If it's a new customer, you would simply click add new customer and you add their information in for the first time. So we'll go ahead and we'll click checkout. And we see that their order is right at the top of the page and it pulls up our packing slip. So we can go ahead and print out this packing slip so we have it for our records, or print out 2 copies so that the customer has a copy as well if they're in person. Next, we'll do some order management. So maybe this customer changed their mind about some of the meals that they ordered. Well, we could just pull it up and click adjust, and we could add some items to the order or remove a previous item and click next. And now you'll see we have a new button that says update, and I'll go ahead and do that. And it also prints out a new packing slip with the new salad that we just swapped out for. Next, we'll pull up that order. And if the customer wanted to cancel the order and they're still within your refund policy window, you can go ahead and void that order out. By voiding it out, it removes it from all of your production and ingredient reports. Also, if a credit card was used, you'll see a purple button here to refund. You can just go ahead and click on that and it'll handle the refund for you.